Hello, Slaters. Hope you all are doing well and enjoying the video sessions. Today, you are going to have an interesting session. Do you know what is that? Spoken English. Children, do you all like to speak fluently in English? Yes, I know, but you need to put it into practice. Slaters, why do we need to practice speaking in English? Why is it important for everyone to know the language well? What are the benefits of speaking in English? Children, how did you become fluent in speaking your mother tongue? It is simple. You have been speaking it since you were a child. Your family members have taught you by making you repeat the words, sentence with actions on a regular basis. Yes, you need to learn to speak English in the same way. Now, why speaking in English is so important? It is commonly spoken language in the world. Understanding the importance of the language will help you speak fluently. It connects us to the world. English is a language which is spoken and understood by many people in most of the countries in the world. It is easy to learn when compared to the other languages. You can say things in different ways. English is the universal language. Now, how do you improve your English? Dear children, the only way to improve your English is by speaking English as much as possible. Learning to speak in English is like learning to ride a bicycle or learning to swim. Fix a particular time to practice at least for 15 to 20 minutes only with your siblings, parents. Read good English story books. Make it a habit of reading books. Read short stories, understand them, and put them in your own words. You can enact role play as your parents, grandparents, and siblings. You can describe everyday situations and routine activities which makes language learning easier. Suppose you are getting dressed up. You can talk about your clothes, color, why are you wearing it, etc. This helps you become fluent speakers because of speaking practice. You can watch TV channels such as Discovery Channel or any other knowledgeable channels in English. Listen to audios in English. Children, you will become confident in speaking English without any hesitation. It helps you learn the language as well as develop listening and reading skills. Most common mistakes which are made while speaking in English. Let us learn a few. 1. You can try it more is incorrect. You can try it a few times is correct. 2. Today I will cut my hair is incorrect. I will have my hair cut today is correct. 3. How was your sleeping is incorrect. Did you have a good sleep is correct. 4. I will go out after the dinner is incorrect. I will go out after dinner is correct. You like ice cream, isn't it? Is incorrect. You like ice cream, don't you? Is correct. 6th. I know him good is incorrect. I know him well is correct. 7. I have a good news for you is incorrect. I have good news for you is correct. 8. I came to office by walk is incorrect. I came to office on foot is correct. Children, if you hesitate to speak, you can never learn to speak English. Making mistakes is a normal and important part of learning a language. We learn through our mistakes. Children, do you all like overcoming your mistakes and learn to speak well? So, here are few sentences for you all. Please try to understand and implement. Some of the mistakes which are commonly made. 1. Myself, I am John is incorrect. I am John is correct. Sometimes, while introducing oneself, myself and I gets mixed, wherein both are pronouns. 2. I am having 3 brothers and 2 sisters is incorrect. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters is correct. Here, simple present tense should be used. 3. He do not have a laptop is incorrect. He does not have a laptop is correct. Here, do not should not be used with pronouns like he, she, it. 4th, I bought a storybook to read it is incorrect. I bought a storybook to read is correct. 5th, the students have the school at 4 o'clock is incorrect. The students have school at 4 o'clock is correct. 6th, I am going to a picnic is incorrect. I am going on a picnic is correct. 7th, he doesn't know to swim is incorrect. He doesn't know how to swim is correct. Or he does not know how to swim is correct. Do not go in the sun is incorrect. Do not go out in the sun is correct. 9th, the price of this TV is higher than yours is incorrect. The price of this TV is higher than that of yours. While comparing two things, than is followed by that, which is pronoun. 10th, he has white hairs is incorrect. He has grey hair is correct. All the hair on one's head is considered uncountable. So, hairs is wrong. 11th, I helped my mother in the kitchen yesterday is incorrect. I helped my mother in the kitchen yesterday is correct. When we are talking about the past which is already over, then we should use past tense words. 12th, teacher over is incorrect. Teacher, I have completed my work. Or teacher, I am done with my work. Or teacher, I have done my work. All these are correct. 13. I no do homework, teacher. I go to function yesterday is incorrect. I did not do my homework, teacher, as I went to a function yesterday is correct. Next, teacher, go to the washroom is incorrect. Excuse me, teacher, may I use the washroom is correct. 15th, give me your eraser, I forgot at home is incorrect. Could you please give me your eraser? I forgot to bring is correct. I enjoyed from the movie is incorrect. I enjoyed the movie is correct. I like the very much ice cream. I like ice cream very much. She doesn't listen me is incorrect. She doesn't listen to me is correct. You speak English good is incorrect. You speak English well is correct. Me and John live here is incorrect. John and I live here is correct. I go always to school by bus is incorrect. I always go to school by bus is correct. Next, I went to home is incorrect. I went home is correct. Next, I don't know what means this word is incorrect. I don't know what this word means is correct. My brother has 10 years is incorrect. My brother is 10 years old is correct. I forgot my book at home is incorrect. I forgot to bring my book is correct. Slaters, hope you all understood the importance of speaking in English. Watch the video twice or thrice to understand the sentences, how to put, and try to overcome them. Children, will you all practice speaking in English at home with your siblings and parents? At least for 15 to 20 minutes every day. And read the story books or general books to overcome the mistakes while speaking. Happy learning, Slaters!